Hi folks, so I'm doing just a really quick screencast. It seems a little easier than loading up the whole Adobe Connect, just to kind of give you a quick course tour of what you're going to be seeing in the class and kind of how to navigate yourself around and what specifically to look at each week. So what you're going to be seeing in this video is a quick overview. We'll kind of go around and look at a few of the things that you'll see on your screen. You'll note, you'll note that some of my stuff is a little different because I'm the instructor in the course, so I have a few more doodads on the side here, but that's not necessarily important. The first page that you'll see here is the announcements page. It's really important that you're checking the announcements regularly. Now these are emailed to you, so don't be surprised if you see these emailed to you. They're going to be in your inbox. Please read them or come here. Okay. I've already gone over the syllabus in another video, so let's look at course content. All right. I do invite you to like our Facebook page, and I do have this really cool little handout I put together that you can peruse on your own. It's not required. It's just a Secrets of Student Success thing that I put together based on some of the research I did a couple of summers ago. The course orientation is a place that you really should start. That's why it says start here. And the things that you definitely need to read, make sure that you go through this course elements folder, because a lot of the things that students struggle with are going to be in this course elements folder, and they're going to have a lot more tutorials and things that are available for you. And then don't forget the orientation assignments if you haven't already done those. All right, I'm not going to go into those right now because I want to just show you kind of the brief tour, and I'll talk a little bit more about the course elements in separate videos. So in the course content, you're always going to be going through and looking like this. Now, by the way, please don't be alarmed if the graphics are a little different. I do use these videos over again. I usually record them once every 2 or 3 semesters. So just don't be surprised if things are a little bit different. I also only have Unit 1 showing, just because I kind of just focus on the basic navigation of the course. Eventually, you'll see Units 1 through 4 down here. Okay. The Course Resource Center has lots of great links. Again, things there that should help you out. But we're going to focus on actually tackling a unit. One thing that you'll notice is that I don't necessarily have all of the things along the left-hand side. That's because I really want you to go in and click Unit 1 and then work your way through Unit 1. All right, and it's broken down by week. Cool thing is that each week has a checklist, a video overview as I go through them. I'm having to re-record, so please bear with me. Some of these videos are a little bit out of date because of the kind of the concepts that they do, because they're off the week count. So I am recording these. So if you re-recording these, if you don't see it right away, it will be there. Then here's the week 1 field book, which I'll talk about in a separate video as far as field book, but there is the entry. Okay. And then the 2 discussion boards for this week are in the orientation, and then here's your case study. All right. I have a list of key terms as well as an overview PowerPoint for every unit in the course. Okay. So that's kind of that's how you access things. So, and then also let me get you one that actually has some discussion boards on it. That's week 2. Again, you'll see here's the checklist, things that you should be doing. Another overview video in PowerPoint. In this week's field book, you have 2 options. Note the or. Please don't do more work than you need to. Key terms for Chapter 2 and 3. Again, overview PowerPoints, and then your assignments are at the very bottom. You'll note that you've got 2 discussion boards to do this week and 1 case study. All right? And I have to move that up, which I will do. All right? In a later video, I'll talk a little bit about how to post to discussion boards and how to post to assignments. But I do just want to kind of give you here's how to navigate in Blackboard. One of the discussion boards that I do have, and by the way, there is a little quick link to the discussion forums over here so that you can get back to them easily, is a questions and answers forum. That is to have students answer other student questions. That's if you have a question or if you have a problem. Additionally, if you go into here, send email, that goes directly to me, so you can get a hold of it that way. Let's see, there are other few things here. Ask a librarian for your for your unit questions or things that you may have as far as research are concerned. And of course the syllabus is here as well. So, I mean, it's once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. Once you have the things kind of separate, thinking about it as a week by week unit should help as well. If you go down here, I have links and tools at the end of all my other units. And then usually the last week of the unit, you'll see it'll be a little bit longer because the field book entry submission will usually be there, as well as whatever test you have. One thing you'll note about the test is I actually put the case study separate from the test itself. It is populated there, but I like to make it so that you can read it before you start the timer on the test, so that it's purely there for just for your information. All right, so that's the basic course tour. In the next video, I'll talk a little bit about a few of the specific course elements, discussion boards, field books, case studies, and tests. Will be the things that you'll see in some later screen captures. So I hope that's helpful, and as always, call me before you get frustrated, send me an email, just make sure you let me know who you are. All right, thanks. Have a fantastic day.